This is an old school method, but I'm shining the kind of white part of my beautiful leather Vans. Look how nice these shoes are. Vans, you need to hit me up for a sponsor deal. I'm always pitching. Sorry, but I'm using an old washcloth with some soap because I got a big keynote presentation tomorrow, as you know. Oh boy, in the next couple of scenes, you're going to see absolute fire. As I was saying that, I dropped my washcloth. I'm going to do that again. Take two. In the next couple of scenes, fuego. Anyway, a lot to talk about there. I actually am on my way. I'm going to be going to sound check today. I've got a really big speaking engagement that I'm going to be doing today. Tomorrow on personal branding. Wait till the garage. Sure. So personal branding, it's a really big gig, and I'm very, very excited about it. And I thought I'd bring you guys along with me. What do you guys think about that? You guys want to come with me? Come on in. I thought I'd also talk about maybe what it takes to, give a public presentation and just talk a little bit about that. I know a lot of you guys who follow me, a lot of you guys who watch me, you know I'm somebody who advocates for the importance and the necessity of creating a brand that you can leverage for your business, for your career, for your community, and how important that is, and how we're living in an unbelievable time to do that so much more readily available and easy and time, efficiently, that some of you might be doing this very soon if you're not doing it already. So I thought I'd just bring you along with me. It's vlog 10, y'all. Vlog 10? No, wait. It's not vlog 10. It's actually vlog 9. Is it vlog 9? Okay. All right. So I've got the essentials. Got to get my toiletries. No shaving today because what you usually do is, you see how this is going on about 2 or 3 days of not shaving. So the event, I'm actually speaking tomorrow. Today's Sunday the 7th. I'm actually speaking October 8th. Hopefully this will get published within the next week or so. By the time you're watching this, it might be October 15th or 16th. Hopefully I'll get it out sooner. But this is something they don't teach you in education. You see this right here? This is about 2 or 3 days of not shaving. I didn't want to shave today or yesterday because I know the event is on Monday and I want to look clean, spick and span, professional, very, very important, especially when you've got a really big company giving you a lot of money to put on a really good presentation and inform their audience and educate their audience. So I'll be shaving early in the morning. This will be even more scruffier because every dude knows this. They don't teach any of this stuff in school. Every dude knows this. When you have to shave, and you've got just only a day's, kind of worth of shaving, and it's really close, a lot more cuts, and it doesn't look good. It's actually easier to shave if you have a little more bristle. Just another tip from your Uncle Nez. That sounds kind of creepy, doesn't it? Should I stop that? Let me know in the comments. Let me know. Okay, let's see. Ooh la la, fancy socks. Okay, bam. Is this toiletries or is this? I'll just put shorts on. I'll put shorts for the room. Actually, I'll have my Two Buddy shirt too. Yes. So there's this, and this will be all the toiletries, and I gotta scrub my shoes. Maybe an extra pair of boxers. Extra pair of socks. Okay. Just in case. You can never have too many boxers. Should I have an extra pair of socks just in case? Yeah, I think I should. Just in case, I'll have another extra pair of socks. Okay, let's see. And the most important, which is nicely clean-cut shirt. See how nice that is? It's actually a polo shirt and a free advertisement for Bio Self-Safe Cleaners, I guess. It's a really nice shirt. Got some nice pants. I got a belt. Probably have to take, yeah, I'll probably have to take another hanger for this. Okay. Let's see, did I get everything? I got these. I've got toiletries, shaving, socks, boxers. I mean, I think that's it. I know I'm always got to get my laptop. What else am I forgetting? Don't you always feel like you're always forgetting something? I always feel like I'm forgetting something. Don't forget to bring your brain. I think I'm good. I think that's really all I need. I mean, that's pretty much it, I guess. Get the fuck out of here. I've got my suit jacket downstairs. Okay, later, guys. I'll see you guys later. Anyway, you're supposed to be coming with me. I always feel like I'm forgetting something. And I don't know if I am. I don't know if I'm not. Okay, let's see here. Okay. All right, I think we're good. At least I hope we are. I'm going to be speaking at the Anaheim Convention Center, the same place that VidCon was held at. Woo! I didn't even realize this till right now. How insane is that? I'm speaking where VidCon was. Coincidence? Okay, I just got here, and guess where I am, y'all? I'm at the Anaheim Convention Center. I just realized when I put in the directions, I'm like, wait a minute, 700 West? I thought I was actually going somewhere completely different. Like, I mean, I don't know why. I had it in my head that I was actually going out of town. But I mean, I am going out of town. But I mean, that's what I'm the same place where VidCon was. That's so cool. I'm going to be speaking here. Anyway, I just think that's a really cool, fun fact. Let's get the hell out of here. It wasn't fun parking either. VidCon. That's just absolutely crazy. It's pretty sweet, though, I gotta say. Okay, I'm going to take my bag with my laptop and everything and switch to glasses. Let's get out of here. Let's go. Being extremely claustrophobic, I'm not a big fan of parking garages, if you will. Ah! was a close call. I almost broke my phone. I got my suit. I got my stuff. I'm looking good. This gonna happen, y'all. The grand tour of my hotel room provided by Westcom. Thank you. Check this out. So here's the front door. Got a nice, lovely closet here with a safe. That's kind of cool. I could hang my clothes, which I'll probably do. So there's a little walk-in closet here. Ooh, looks like coffee. Purified water. Looks like I can make a little coffee thing here, which is really important. Pure elevation. Okay, that's cool. Hi, there I am. There's my room. Check that out. That's kind of cool. Huh. A little dark right now. Not the greatest view on the planet, as you'll see shortly. But, you know, whatever. It's okay. It's Anaheim. It's not the most attractive. TV. Huge TV. Office space. And look, I've got a little balcony, but I don't know how to open it. Let's see. It seems like there's something blocking this. How do I open this? I don't see. So I can't open it. It looks like there's chairs out there. I could actually go outside and enjoy the lovely smog, but I don't know how to open this. Okay, that's cool. Let's see, what do we got over here? We've got bathroom, nice bathroom. That's pretty cool. Nice shower. Not bad, Anaheim. Not bad. Not bad at all. What do you think? Pretty cool. It's a pretty big bed, too. That's a pretty nice spread. Not bad. Okay, I figured out how to open the slider door to my room. And here is beautiful, lovely Anaheim, which I totally had no idea I was going to be here. How cool is this? There's Anaheim, y'all. Pretty amazing. I got to call service now and tell them that they don't need to come. Let's see, are they here? Well, yeah, hi. I just requested service at a room 1141, and I figured it out. It was the sliding door. I just had to remove the. I totally was. I thought I was locked in here, and then I figured it out. So I just wanted. I didn't want you guys to send somebody. It's okay. Okay, we'll close that. Okay, thank you so much. Sorry about that. No problem. Okay, bye. What a moron! We need to get like some. Maybe I need to get a lighter or something though. That could be important. Okay, hotel guest pass. Okay, do not discard. Okay. This is the one that I need. And room key. I got two? Ah, I got two room keys. That's kind of cool. Alright. Alright. Not bad at all, eh? It's not bad at all. I think it's actually pretty cool. Maybe I'll go have a little something something. It wouldn't be the worst thing on the planet, I don't think.